Question 6a reads, solve the equation -2 open bracket x minus 4 close bracket is less than or equal to 2 minus 4x 2 max. Question B reads, in the diagram below, OABC is a parallelogram in which vector OA is equals to vector A and vector AB is equals to vector B. AC and OB meet at D such that OD is equals to DP. OC is produced to E such that CE is equals to half OC. So that's the diagram. Express each of the following in terms of vector A and or vector B. So Roman numeral 1 vector OB 1 mark, Roman numeral 2 vector AD 2 marks, Roman numeral 3 vector BE 1 mark. Question A reads, solve the equation -2 open bracket x minus 4 close bracket is less than or equal to 2 minus 4x 2 max. So for me to solve the inequation of -2 open bracket x minus 4 close bracket is less than or equal to 2 minus 4x. So this means I need to find the value of x. So the first thing, I'm going to open up the brackets. -2 multiplied by x, that's -2x. -2 multiplied by -4, that's +8. It's less than or equal to 2 minus 4x. Then I'm going to collect the like terms. So I'm having -2x plus 4x is less than or equal to 2 minus 8. -2x minus -2x plus 4x, that's 2x, is less than or equal to 2 minus 8, that's -6. So I'm going to divide by both sides by 2. So I'm going to have x is less than or equal to -6 divided by 2, that's -3. Question B reads, in the diagram below, OABC is a parallelogram in which vector OA is equals to vector A and vector AB is equals to vector B. AC and OA meet at D such that OD is equals to DB. OC is produced to E such that CE is equals to half OC. So that's the diagram. Express each of the following in terms of vector A or in terms of vector A and or vector B. Roman numeral 1 vector OB 1 mark. So for me to find vector OB, I'll say vector OB is equals to vector OA plus vector AB. So I'll say vector OB is equals to vector OA, that's vector A, plus vector AB, that's vector B. Roman numeral 2 vector AD 2 marks. So for me to calculate vector AD, I can first calculate vector OD, and vector OD is going to help me to calculate vector AD. So I know that vector OD is equals to vector DB, and that means the ratio is 1 to 1. So I can say vector OD is equals to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by vector OB. Since I know the value of vector OB, so I can say vector OD is equals to half multiplied by vector OB, that's vector A plus vector B. So to calculate the value of vector AD, I'll say vector AD is equals to vector AO plus vector OD. So vector AD is equals to vector AO, that's negative A, that's negative A, plus vector OD, that's half open bracket vector A plus vector B. Roman numeral 3, vector BE, 1 mark. For me to calculate vector BE, first of all I'm going to calculate vector CE, and vector CE is going to help me to calculate vector BE. So I can say vector CE is equals to half multiplied by vector OC. So vector EC is equals to half multiplied by vector OC, that's vector B. So I can say vector BE is equals to vector BC plus vector CE. So vector BE is equals to vector BC, that's negative vector A, plus vector CE, that's half vector B. So that's the answer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.